Everyone, today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of access failed on the application of Telegram. You will go to settings as you see and you will click. In this page you will go to apps, default apps, app settings. In this list you will scrolling down until you find this window here of Telegram and you will click. Then in this page of app info you will go to first stop and you will click OK. Here you will enter to storage. Then we click on clear cache. Here we go to Play Store. We search about the application of Telegram. Then if you find updates here, then you can update your app. So that's all. Don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time and thank you for your